Hi guys! I'm a little cold, a little shivering, but I want to hang out with you guys. Can I hang out? Alright, so the rear main's leaking on this, so we're going to put a new rear main in it. Well, that's gonna leak a shitload of oil on the ground. I didn't think it was gonna leak that much.
Just have 15 minutes.
Lube it up so it'll slide on there, and then we'll pop it on. Alright, so we'll pop this on here. Make sure it's got a good seal. Obviously you don't want to over tighten any of these, so we're just gonna get them started with this. Or not, because the deep socket won't work like that. But you want to get these two first to get them started. Then the 13 mils, then the 10 mils. And you're just getting them threaded, like started in there. You don't need to torque them down. It's just gotta align itself. Oh, you know what? That's not gonna work. That'll work. Yeah. I'm doubting myself. So I'll tighten these bottom ones down to pull it against the gasket. Again, not over tightening them. Probably like 15 foot-pounds max. But you just want to pull it against the gasket so it doesn't leak there. Then 13 mils in there. 13s, you can put a little bit more torque on them, but it's still not done. We're good to go. Just wipe it down. Just giving this clutch a quick wipe down here. This came out of the white car. It's good, totally good working clutch. But we did a ZF swap in that. So this is a UUC style, like M5 setup. At least that's as much as I know. But yeah, it worked good. Held that power, no problem, so it'll be good for this car. Where is the bigger hole? Right, clean all of these off. Running a little low on the red lock type. Running little light. On a red lock type. Makes it sound like it has even less talent involved in it.
What the
Oh, you know what? Alright, so we're here at Park Rose, and there's a hair on my bolt. At least it's mine. The dual mass flywheel bolts were too long, so we needed to get shorter ones. They have it here. They have everything here. It's crazy. And it's right down the road from the house, so it's perfect. It's only gonna be $20 worth of bolts though. That sucks. Oh. How's that help? Oh yeah, that'll fly. That's good. So obviously I Loctite these bolts so the new guy doesn't have his feet sheared off. I'm already losing my mind today. 70... 86.
It came off.
Came off.
I can't see anything.
Here, let me see if I can get the right size in there.
Yeah?
I might be able to. It's just really...
Remember last time we actually had to use like a socket?
Did we? We could fit it?
Yeah.
I feel like we couldn't fit it. This is a clutch fan though, so that's...
I think the other one did too.
No.
No? Are you sure about that?
Positive. Confirmed. 15/16. good?
Yeah. Oh, just my knuckle. Oh, yeah, that's my knuckle. Look. Say something.
Side.
Say something, dog.
What?
Say something. Talk like you're the dog. Hi guys. I'm a little cold, a little shivering, but I want to hang out with you guys. Can I hang out?
That was a little excessive. Jack the motor back up. There we go. So we torqued these to 19 foot-pounds. It's like 230 inch-pounds, 235 inch-pounds. With Loctite. Always gotta use Loctite. This thing needs transmission bolts in here. Don't forget these guys. Otherwise, these little things, if you forget them, your shifter will be totally garbage. Shifter, plug, trans, okay, cool. So, just gotta hoist that drive shaft back up in there real quick. Don't fall. That's good. Just start it. Word. Cool. I'm not putting any of the netting or shielding back in. It just sucks when you gotta work on it later. Your light is blinding me.
Sorry.
Starter, exhaust, trans, wires plugged back, slave. Should be good to go. Hope so. Try it. See if it works. Be nice to have a clutch in this thing. Get my tunes going, my race car shit going on here. Has like a little, what do you call it? Little race car TV thing. You can thumbs up and thumbs down songs for your Spotify and Pandora right on the radio. Pretty sick. So this car needs a water pump, it leaks from it. So I'm going to go ahead and drain the coolant and dismantle the water pump today. And then tomorrow, or sorry, later this week, I don't know if it'll be tomorrow, we'll go ahead and put that water pump in when it gets here. Instead of doing it the proper way, just blow the whole thing out of there. Maybe that is the proper way. Lift this up a little bit. Let's see if we can get ourselves some more clearance. There we go. This clamp is trashed. You gotta be really careful with these coolant tanks because they get brittle when they get old. And this one's definitely an OE one, so they can break pretty easily. Oh. Press that. valves out. A little bit of water. Now the pain in the ass part. Getting the clutch fan off of there. It's reverse thread, so don't mess that up. What I normally do is just get it there and then whack it with a hammer. How big this wrench is. Oh, I see. There's a little Phillips head here that's loose. I think I was hitting it the wrong way too. I'm losing my mind. I even said it was right hand thread.
I wasn't gonna say anything.
Thanks.
Shown mistakes.
There we go. Jeez. Thanks, bro. Thought you were my boy. No, I'll watch you struggle. Bitch.
More fun that way.
The belt's still on there. Makes it way easier for you. And then you get a 16. Pop it on the tensioner. Wherever that is. Or do they not have? No. It's gotta have that same setup as every other BMW. There's no bolt there. Do you just turn the whole thing? Oh, I guess so. Huh. That's different from other cars. You actually turn the... Yeah, you do. Huh. Normally there's a little nut here that you do instead of putting it on there, but the belt is on there. Alright. Take this pulley off. This isn't even like a how-to, because I know every single person that's ever owned one of these cars has done a water pump. Because these things are horrible. They do PM, you gotta PM the water pump in these things, because when they fail, you end up losing a motor because of it, because the cooling system sucks. Let me rephrase that. The cooling system works really good until it fails. So it's like totally adequate. It's actually a lot for the car. And then it fails. And then you have nothing. I'm curious to see how bad this water pump is. Honestly, I think it's just got a bad bearing in it and it's just leaking because of the bad bearing. I bet you the impeller's not even damaged. Or it's been swapped out and it has a metal one in there. And then the oh yeah, the bearing's just got a little play. No biggie. Pop a new water pump in this thing, get it bled up. So yeah, it is a metal impeller. Doesn't look like it has any damage or anything, but that play in the bearing is gonna make it seep out the weep hole. Right there, you can see it's been leaking out of there. So, throw that in the garbage, pop a new one on when we get it. Mostly in the garbage, and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm texting Jordan, my tuner, to get a tuner for this car, because the one that's in it is fine, but he's come up with some new stuff since then to make it cooler, to fit the Mega Hot Boy Tron car. So, it's an M50, we're going to go 7,200 RPM, and we're going to have Mega Burble Flame On Shit's Lit tune. So, should blow some flames, make some backfires, and I asked him if we can put a cooler rev limiter on it, so it sounds cooler. I figure that's what this car's about, and it's not making so much power that it's going to foul the plugs and do stupid shit on the limiter, so it should be good. So
Oh god.